Welcome to Transporter Vintage and Retro.
SHU-Haul. Take one.
Hey everybody, it's Chris again. Thanks for tuning in. Today was CubeSmart auction day online. I purchased one unit. It was the only one I really wanted. There was another one I was high bidder on, and I got outbid at the last minute, and I wasn't paying attention. But that's fine. You know, if you watch, I have 3 packed units at the moment that I'm listing for auction. So I'm about to head over there now and get that unit. Paul's climbing in. Still got a little help. So thanks for tuning in. We're gonna get to work. All right, this is the little unit I bought. 456. Really not much in it. This should be pretty quick and easy. I already have a buyer for all this studio foam. That's the reason I bid on it. I sold a friend of mine all of it that I had, and he told me today he could use more. So this unit's already paid for itself. So there's some kind of big screen back here. Some studio monitor. These bags. All right, I'm gonna start digging. Brand new. The headphones look pretty good. This cable is beat. Okay, I didn't get this live, so here's the instant replay. There was nothing upstairs. I'll just swept this out. Loading the last donations. All donations on the back. Trash behind that. And the good stuff all the way in the back. Paul has on his Transporter Halloween t-shirt.
Get in uniform. Reporting for duty.
All right, last 2 pieces and we're out of here.
All forward positions are advancing.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
All clear, General.
Thanks for watching. Please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe so you can check out my other 75 videos on this channel as well as upcoming videos.